Welcome back to CAD Station, and in today's tutorial we are going to convert this isometric view sketch into 3D model using the software Solidworks 2023. And this is how the 3D model is going to be view. So let's just start from new and the part. And before starting the sketch, if you are new to CAD Station, I request you to kindly subscribe the channel. And now start from the top plane and sketch. First of all, I'm going to make the bottom sketch as the top sketch. That's a rectangle of 90 by 48 millimeters. So center rectangle from origin dimension, this is going to be of 90, and this one is going to be of 48. And the height, this height is going to be, you can find the extrude height as this is 22. If I just subtract this 10 millimeter gap, so a 12 millimeter left and 6 millimeter on this side and 6 millimeter on this side. So all the extrudes are of 6 millimeters, and the thickness of the wall are 6. So features, extrude boss base, and this is going to be 6 millimeters. And okay, next select the top plane sketch, and now this time select the corner rectangles and just make one rectangle here and second one here. Escape, press the control button and select these two lines and make the relation equal. Smart dimension, thickness is going to be same, 6 millimeters. Features, extrude boss base, and this is going to be 30 millimeters height, so 30 millimeters. Okay, right now we have to make a hole. Just make a hole. Smart dimension and this is going 13, 45 and 20. So 18, this is 45, and the top is 13 millimeters. And select the through all both and okay. Now next is we are going to make right click and edit sketch. This is going to be of radius 9, so 9 into 2 for the diameter, and trim these sides and double click to exit from sketch or click on here. Now Control 7 for isometric view. Sketch. Just make a random. Close the sketch. Now escape and press the control, select these two lines and make the relation equal. Now smart dimension, this is going to be 6. Distance between these two is same 6, and 10 and 22, so this is going to be 10. Length is 21 and 27, so this is 21, and 27 there is no need to mention the 27. And the height is going to be of 6 millimeter, it is less. So features, extrude boss base, 30 minus 6 minus 6. Now sketch button. Convert into radius and offset. This is going to be 6. Offset this one, and this is going to be 6. Done. Now we are going to extrude up to, we have 42. So it's going to be 42 minus 6, as we have created the height as 6 millimeters, and done. Now all dimensions are done. We can change the color as I'm going to select this one and okay. Press Ctrl and select these lines and change the appearance white, and that's done. So this is how simple it is to create this 3D model using the sketch. You can take the screenshot of this sketch so you can try by yourself. If you have any problem regarding this sketch or any other, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact me through the email. I hope you will subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.